In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix MetaMask app not opening. So if you're currently experiencing that problem and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what you're going to do, because we're not able to open the app, so just close the app and then we're going to open up our settings app instead. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. So what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit and then you're going to click on general in here. So click on general. Now once again scroll down a little bit and then click on storage, as you can see, because now we should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So I did this myself, by the way, step by step, and it did work for me. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this to load right here, as you can see, and it might take a couple of seconds for you as well, just so you know. So now we're just going to scroll down in here when it's actually loaded, as you can see, and we're going to find the MetaMask app. I think it's right here perfectly. As you can see, the MetaMask app is here. So now click on Upload App and then click on Upload App once again. And here, as you can see, wait a couple of seconds and click on the blue button here again. What will happen now is that you will now fix the bug with not being able to open the app. Basically, you will need to wait for it to update. As you can see, now it says once again Upload App, and that means that this app is now updated for me. So we can now go back into our MetaMask app, as you can see. I'm just going to go back in here, as you can see, and it looks pretty good. As you can see, we can now actually get started, as you can see, or if you're already logged in into your account, it might take you back to your account as well, just so you know. But that is basically exactly how to fix it.